In this video, we'll be discussing about how to access a string in Python. So suppose Python is a string. So string is nothing but a sequence of characters. So the characters over here are P, Y, T, H, O, and N. So if you are using forward direction indexing, so for P, the string will take the index 0. For Y, it will take the index 1. For T, the index is 2. For H, 3, and so on. But in Python, you can also use backward direction indexing. And backward direction indexing doesn't use 0. It just uses -1 till what is the length of the string. So it will take -6 as the index for P, -5 as the index for Y, and so on till we reach N, for which the index is -1. So let's code in our Spider IDE. Hello and welcome. So we'll see how to access strings in Python using Spider IDE. So first we'll see how to use forward indexing. So for that I'm declaring a string over here. So this string consists of these characters H, E, L, L, and O. So if I need to print the first character of the string, I'll use the index 0. So this will give me H, the first character of hello. If I need to print E, I'll use the second index, which is 1, and then print it. So if I want the length of this string, which means that how many characters are there in this string, for that I'll be using the length function, which is an inbuilt function in Python that can be used on strings. So this is the length function, and in it I'll pass this string over here and run this cell. So I'm getting rightly so 5 characters that are present in this string. So if the string is long, I can also use print Python is awesome and pass it to this length function. So let me run this. I'll be getting 18 as my answer. So let me store this in a variable. Okay, let's say A, and to this length function I'm passing this A. Again the answer will be 18. But now what I'll do is I'll show you that there is no index as such 18 that exists. It's going to give me an error, index error, string index out of bounds. So the last index that we can access is 17 because the counting is starting from 0. So this exclamation mark will have the index of 17 and not of 18. So I'm going to be running this. Okay, so I have wrongly printed str over here. It should be A, and this will give me an exclamation mark, as you can see. So let's move on to backward indexing. So for that, again, I'll be using the same string, which is hello. So now if you want to print O, okay, let's see how this is working. What is -1 giving us? It's giving us O, because now the length of the string, as we all know, is 5. So the length is 5, as you can see, and so this H over here will have -5 as its index, E will have -4, and L will have -3, L again will have -2, and O will have -1. So I can show you that how the counting is working. So yes, indeed we are getting L as -2. And lastly, I'll show you what -5 is giving us. It's giving us H again. So you can use for statements to print every index of the given string. So this is how you access strings in Python. Thank you for watching.